Evolution is a story about change. Changes that happen to virtually every single species that ever lived on Earth. When resources are plentiful, populations grow, and mutations allow genetic variation to accumulate. But when the environment shifts or the population grows too large, resources become scarce. Now, natural selection must occur by favoring traits that are more suitable to the new environment to ensure the population survives. In spite of the fact that it sounds like natural selection acts on the individuals, like the individuals have to change or do something to compete to survive, natural selection acts on the population. It's the genetic makeup of the population, the genetic variation that has accumulated by mutations that provides raw material for natural selection to, well, select which ones are favorable traits and shifts the entire genetic makeup of the population.